Hello friends, my name is Kalpesh and welcome to my official YouTube channel Automotive Cracks. In this video, I'm gonna discuss how to conduct hydrometer test for the lead acid battery. In brief, lead acid battery comprises positive and negative plates and diluted sulphuric acid as an electrolyte. So you can consider without taking the precautions, if we are handling the lead acid battery, then it may behave like a bomb, chemical bomb. Ultimately, we are getting the electricity at the terminal post due to the chemical reaction occurs into the lead acid battery. So we must take the precautions before we conduct test, before we handle the lead acid battery for the inspections. So before the testing, first as a safety equipment we need some safety gears like protective glass and gloves, as we are dealing with the chemical electrolyte. So we need to focus on the safety side first. So hydrometer test, why we need to conduct such kind of a testing of the lead acid battery? The answer is simple: to check the capacity of the battery. The capacity which is prescribed on the battery and the method which is adapted by the different manufacturer have been already discussed in my previous video, and I have already provided the link of that video in the description below, so you can check it easily. Ultimately, we are trying to check the capacity in terms of current or voltage delivered by the battery for a particular period of time. So as I said, number of tests available to check the battery capacity. In this test, we are trying to deal with the electrolyte, the chemical. So in this test, the specific gravity of electrolyte can be checked by using the hydrometer, or sometimes it is also called as a specific gravity tester. I would like to emphasize on the word we are trying to check the specific gravity of electrolyte. Now we are very well aware that as an electrolyte in the lead acid battery, diluted sulphuric acid is utilized, and the ratio to produce the diluted sulphuric acid to water, you can consider near about 40 is to 60, 40% water and 60% sulphuric acid. So now let's discuss the construction of the hydrometer. The hydrometer, it will be look like this, the picture which is shown right inside of this slide. The top portion of the hydrometer, which is made of the rubber material, it is called the rubber bulb. The middle portion, which is made of the glass, it is a glass tube structure, and the lower portion through which this instrument sucks the electrolyte, this is sometimes it is made of the hard plastic, sometimes it is made of the soft rubber material. So sometimes, as mentioned here, it is made of the rubber tube. This glass material comprises one more element, which is a float structure. Again, this float, it is made of the glass material too. You can understand the float which is shown in the left hand side figure. This float has a triple color coding readings which are marked on the surface of the float, and it has been already calibrated. So in the whole structure of the hydrometer, the main elements you can consider the rubber bulb, the rubber tube, glass container sometimes, and the most important component is the hydrometer float. The float which has some color coding marking on its surface, and with the help of which we are trying to measure the specific gravity of electrolyte. Now the procedure: to check the specific gravity of electrolyte, we need to remove the vent cap or the cap provided for the each cell to check the electrolyte level. We need to insert this rubber tube inside the battery compartment. Then we need to press this rubber bulb. By pressing the rubber bulb, the air which is inside the glass tube, it will come out, and once we release this bulb, it will suck the electrolyte inside the glass tube. This is the very basic principle of this instrument. The float which is inside this glass container, inside which the electrolyte has been sucked, this float will indicate some reading as per the specific gravity or the density of the electrolyte. So a battery with a specific gravity, you can consider more than 1.270, has a higher state of charge. You can consider the 100% charge condition of the battery. So this float has the marking you can observe in this picture, and the different state of charge of the battery is mentioned here in the first column. The second column indicates the specific gravity of the electrolyte, and the third column, it indicates the at which condition the battery will gives how much amount of voltage. So here you can observe that if our battery is in a fully charged condition, 100% charged condition, the specific gravity of electrolyte will be nearer to 1.277, or you can consider more than 1.270. At this stage, our battery is capable to deliver about 12.7 volt to the equipments. Likewise, if we are considering the fully discharged condition of the lead acid battery, then we can consider the specific gravity of the electrolyte. It will be less than 1.073, and at this stage our battery is able to deliver only 11.5 volt to the vehicle. So even though you can consider the half charge condition of the battery and the condition of the specific gravity of electrolyte and the voltage delivered by the battery is mentioned here. So with the help of this simple hydrometer test, we can check whether our battery is fully charged, half charged or discharged, or accordingly we can carry out the maintenance of the lead acid battery. So thank you very much guys. Thank you for your constant support. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon which is just next to the subscribe icon, so you will get all the notification when I upload some videos on my official page. Thank you so much.